Alright, in this video we're looking at the cosine rule. So the cosine rule you can see at the top of your screen there. C squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. Now, with a lot of these type of formulas, they are given to you on the formula sheet most of the time, so you don't need to specifically remember them. Now, you do need to remember how you label the triangles. So in your triangle there, you have big C, and obviously opposite it is little c like we did with the sine rule. Then you have A and B. A and B can vary. You could mix, A could be on the right and B can be on the left, it doesn't matter, as long as you keep it consistent. So, we're going to jump in and we're going to show you how to actually use this formula. So, the first thing I want to do is actually label my triangle. So, I only have one angle, so that's going to be big C, so obviously this is little c, and here this can be A and this can be B. Now that didn't matter, I could swap that if I wanted to make this B and this A. That part doesn't matter. Alright, so now what I want to do is write out my formula. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. Now what we're going to do is just substitute in our values. So we get c squared equals 8 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 8 times 10 cos 69 degrees and 14 minutes. Now, you could put that straight into your calculator now and get an answer and then square root it, or you could do your square rooting straight away like now, alright? So you could do your square root in here and get c equals the square root of 8 squared, 10 squared. Okay, now this will save you making any rounding errors, because that can be an issue when you come in to do trigonometry things. People tend to write down, oh, I'm just going to do it to 2 decimals and then I'll do the next part. This saves you doing that. You're working with exact values here. And you end up with 1036 meters. Okay, so again, very straightforward when you're working with the cos rule. You got it there, you substitute, you get your answer. Now, you can also use the cos rule to find an unknown angle. So here we have a triangle, we have an angle. So let me zoom in. Let's start labeling our sides. We've got C, C, A, B. Now, we use this formula this time. Cos theta equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Okay, again, that'll probably be on the formula sheet as well. Both variations will be there, so you don't need to do any rearranging. So let's do our substitutions. Cos theta equals 8.1 squared plus 5.9 squared, 7.3 all over 2 times 8.1 times 5.9. Okay, and as with all, when we're finding angles with trigonometry, we're going to do the inverse cos here. Inverse cos there, because we wanted the theta as the subject, so theta is going to equal inverse cos 8.1 5.9 you're going to put that in the calculator. It'll come out as 0.49, sorry, not 0.493, it comes out as 60 degrees and 27. Now remember, you may need to push your DMS button to swap it to degrees, minutes, or seconds. Okay, so again, there's your 2 variations. Label your triangle first like you do with any trigonometric problem. Do your substitution and work your way down. Be careful of rounding errors.